Hey there! Having trouble getting your Orbi system up and running? If your device is showing the dreaded Orbi not found message, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore how to fix Orbi not found and ensure your network is set up smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in and get that Wi-Fi back on track. Step 1. Check the power and connections. The first step in solving your Orbi not found issue is to ensure all hardware connections are properly set up. Begin by checking that your Orbi router and satellite are plugged into the power source. Ensure that power cords are securely connected on both ends and that outlet switches are turned on. If your Orbi device features LED indicators, ensure they light up to confirm power connectivity. If nothing lights up, try connecting to a different power outlet. Next, verify that the Ethernet cable from your modem is connected securely to the WAN port on your Orbi router. Double-check connections and cables to ensure they're not loose or damaged. Sometimes the simplest solutions can resolve the biggest headaches. Step 2. Restart your device. After checking the physical connections, a simple restart of all devices involved can work wonders. Start with your modem by unplugging it from the power source, waiting about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Allow a couple of minutes for it to fully restart. Next, do the same with your Orbi router and satellite units. Unplug them, wait, and then reconnect after a short pause. Once all devices have restarted, check if the Orbi not found issue persists. This step can often reset any temporary glitches that might have caused your network devices to go undetected. Step 3. Update firmware on your Orbi devices. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues, leading to the Orbi not found error. To ensure optimal performance, update the firmware for your Orbi router and satellites. First, connect your computer or smartphone to the Orbi's Wi-Fi network. Then open an internet browser and type in orbilogin.com to access the admin dashboard. Log in using your admin credentials and navigate to the firmware update section. Check for any available updates and follow the prompts to install them. Keeping your firmware updated ensures security and adds new features or bug fixes that may resolve your connectivity issues. Step 4. Reset your Orbi system to factory settings. If previous steps haven't resolved the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Remember that this step will erase all custom settings, so it's a measure of last resort. Locate the reset button on your Orbi devices. It's usually a tiny pinhole-sized button. Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds or until the LED lights blink to indicate the device is resetting. After resetting, set up your Orbi network as you initially did. Use the Orbi app or web interface to guide you through the setup process and see if the device now shows up correctly. Step 5. Contact support for assistance. If you've followed all these steps and still experience the Orbi not found issue, it might be time to reach out for additional help. Contact Netgear's support team for expert assistance. They can offer specific troubleshooting steps or even help identify underlying hardware issues. Reaching out can provide relief, knowing you have their support backing up your effort. Dealing with the Orbi not found problem can be frustrating, but with these structured steps, you should be well on your way to solving it. From checking connections to updating firmware and performing a reset, each approach addresses common causes of failure. If all else fails, remember that professional help is just a call away. Now you can enjoy the seamless Wi-Fi experience you originally aimed for with your Orbi system.